Good morning. Today I am Lokma. Good morning. I am Alok Kumar, student in the Gotia College of Engineering and Technology. Today we will cover about I daily routine. What about this? Follow on the next day. That we will starting off from wake up at any o'clock. I don't know, but and next we will see about some sorts, and next we will conclude of them. That is the whole journey of the I think about this. That is I making a food from some parts that is potatoes and tomato, onion, or any other mix that is they create sabji vegetables vegetables, and now we will conclude rice the new fare without any suspension. We will discuss about this. That is not much of this, and then we will move on. Then we will go from a library, and then the library was what about the only one in a not stop this go through any of them. Go through the library, and they will we today today we will discuss about these that things without any suspicious behavior, and they will be go from the any of the state that is the we will go to we will go to we will go to the library, and that library we will study about the first that is chemistry. That is chemistry. We studied about the chemistry. We studied about the chemistry. We studied about the spectroscopy, UV, ultraviolet, and next again we we will read about this infrared, that but they not enough time to study about the infrared, but we study about spectroscopy. That is spectroscopy is a the scope spectroscopy is a deals with the MR with matter, that is electron. The spectroscopy are whole word that is deals with deals with the matter of uh, EMR waves, electromagnetic radiations. That radiations are flow from the any light, or that is the electromagnetic radiations are main. That is the fine light of first thing, that is white light. That is the higher sign. White light is more effective, that they will be the white light are expand in the so on expand in seven color. That is the main source of light is white light. That white light in go to spectrum, that is they are forming seven types of exception. There is red, gold, violet, indigo, blue, green, red, violet, indigo, blue, green, red, violet, indigo, red, orange, or red. That is lower wavelength have lower wavelength have red, and higher wavelength have higher wavelength have violet. That is the main difference of these things. And next we will discuss about the spectrum that is expand with the forming of void light, and they will spectra, that is seven of colors. And radiations, they are that lights are growing to form any systems of that conditions, that is to radiate a light, that is known as radiations. And next we will discuss about the spectroscopy. We already discussed about spectroscopy. Then that is the first we will discuss about the first we known ultraviolet, the UV rays, and next infrared. Then we will discuss about the rotational, and next we will molecular radiations, resonance, NMR, nuclear molecular resonance, and rotational radiations. That is four type of we study it. Then first is we study, and second we will take time, then next we study, then third in NMR, and next we will do rotational energy. But we will discuss about this, that is the spectroscopy have 150 lie on the 150 to 800 nanometer. That is first is in UV have ultraviolet have 150 to 400 nanometer, and visual rays are 400 to 800 nanometer. That is UV rays are two types, that is far UV and near UV. That is far UV is 150 to 200 nanometer, and far near UV have 200 to 400 nanometers. And next we will discuss about the what about this, that I don't think that then we will move on the next, that is the spectra or any of the rotational, that then we will about the topic that is the UV rays, and that go through the UV rays, that is the first we will radiation, that is radiation are different types, that is sinusoidal or cause, or many of these radiations are radiated in the world, that is many of the radiations have in the form of sign have the in that sign is starting point is 0 and pi to pi to pi to pi, that is grow on them, and negative that is the grow on them, that is the main why choose sine wave function, that is sine wave have not complicated in any other, and there is more complications of these functions, and any other functions have different type starting and different type if have they pi g sine are starting point 0 and ending is infinity, but any others thus have no starting point at 0, and different type values are start, they are graphs. And next we will discuss about the UV ultraviolet radiation, that is UV spectroscopy, that is UV 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 spectroscopy have we will discuss about the that things what we discuss about the UV spectroscopy, that deals with the matter or bond or that is the structure of the substance, that we will deal about the structure and deals about the structure of a molecular structure, and many of them, that is the molecular structure about the bond or the bond length or any energy or that is we will discover this seen about this UV spectroscopy, that is UV spectroscopy have lie on the 150 to 400 nanometer, that is near UV and far UV ultraviolet radiation, that is ultraviolet spectroscopy, that they will be go through the whole world, and they will energy state, that is for electrical field. Next we will discuss about the rotational, then third is translational, and that is I know about three, but that is the four types of things. And next we will discuss about these what about these, and I will close off them, that I don't accept this, but we will conclude them, and next time we will discuss about this. And next we will infrared radiations and NMR, nuclear molecular radiations. Then we will discuss about the rotational spectroscopy. That is these types, and they will conclude of the chapters. And next we will discuss about the what about the is then I go that study I go to the auditorium. That is the fourth question. First is discuss about the whole economy of the Bitcoin, and next we will discuss about these things, that is the Google developer analysis. They will discuss about the what about the I don't know, but then we will conclude them. Then that is the what about is, but anywhere language or anywhere information what about this consume, then they will present it. Can you explain and present it? Then we will discuss about this thing, that is I don't understand this, but you are not user for my things. Can you explain? Otherwise, you will fight. Then they will. I will go to the auditorium, and then we will next. That is that time consumed by my 2 to 3 hours, and next we will discuss about the we come from math, that is properties, and that is first is differential calculus 2, that is topic first Magellan series, Taylor series, Jacobian, that Jacobian property first have deals with the in UVR function, that is the XYR independent function, and we will find them. And the first property has chain rule, that is second will be also chain rule, but that property have three functions uv xy and six functions uv v xy and r theta, that is uv is depend on the xy also depend on the r theta, then we will find xy on dependency of r theta, then we will use this property. And next we will discuss about these things is with property third, that is what about this, that is we will discuss about the that third property, we will that conclude them. And this property was deals with the frac that is the uv are the fractionally zero. If they are fractionally dependent, then functionally dependent, then they will be, then we will find the relation of uv w, and if that not functionally dependent, or they that determined value is not equal to region, then they will not in relations, and they are not in relation. I think about this, but we not discuss them. Any next time better. Then we will discuss about the property four. That is property four are about this arguing, and that is the any about the suspicious, or if you know about this, not know, we next time we will conclude them. If you first time conclude, then move on next time. If you not conclude first time, then that work is again also for next time. That is move on forward from property was about these things, that is the we will discuss about the I don't know what that is confusion about this. And next we will discuss about the language multiples and maximas minimas and many of the topics have left. Then we will I not explain about that days in electronic, that is realization. And then we will go through the live and library, and then this library have studied about this. And next we will come from the good out of the college, and we will explore them about the India Expo India Expo India Expo India, that is whole India about wasting, not investing. I conclude them, but that is any of time that we will use in our times in after hours. And then we will come from homes, that is we will discuss about this the auditorium. What about this, that auditorium have we learn from this, what about learn from this, that is things without any learning you are not allowed to second time go to the auditorium. Then that is first we will discuss about the NSR, National Security, NSR, NSA, National Security Agency. That that agency will be work from the se- that agency is work from the whole world have explored in very concise way, not information in wholly explain, and they that information is गुप्त, ये information छुपी हुई रहती है, that is hide from the hide this information, and this information will consumed in anywhere, and they will discuss about the ministers. Then that opinion for the minister, that you next time you work this. And next we will discuss about the ISC Bangalore, that is why conclude this ISC Bangalore have then this I this I this I This ISC Bangalore website have the more data can you conclude than ChatGPT, and that you read will. Okay, because that is not in enough time, then you will conclude. And next we will discuss about this thing that is if you journey of them, then three question why, what, and how. That is clear from the three things. And next we will discuss about these many of them. If you don't conclude them in our topic, no, not in our topic, but some topic you will not conclude it, then we will not allow you go to the tutorial. Then you explain. That is many of things that is I auditorium. What explain this? I think about this everywhere will be learn, and they will not explain. What will you learn about this? If you not learn, then you not explain. If you explain, then learn about this. Then we will conclude about next time, but you some conclude that time. Without that time, they will not conclude them. And next we will discuss about this. What about this work in next day and physically that how work that explore them. And next we will discuss about the I present I. What about this work in today? That that day work will be first is we will cover that is English lab language. That is file will be completed. Next we will chemistry file will be completed. Next we will electronics file completed. Next we will be what about these things that is I think about these I think about these electronics have pro assignment and many of the works follow this. That is five four work is compulsory from completion, and second day for my work. My thought is they complete work, and for 7 days have you 6 day have you work anywhere. That is the summarization of these things for study. And next we will discuss about these things, and that is the today's journey, and we will conclude them at next day. What about this work and what about complete this work? Thank you.